Hi! In front of me is Tecno Camon 18 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, you need to find HiTeam app. When you find it, click on it. Then select Discovery at the bottom right corner and choose Font. Finally, just click on the best one for you. I will go with Funky and choose Download. Finally, tap on Apply and tap on OK in the reminders pop-up. As you can see now, after all that, style of my font is different. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!